Welcome back to the Pterodactyl 5. I'm just in a different spot for recording, but 87 is starting to gradually come in. I got a clear here at Stratford West. And, radio is turned up. That's good. It's still in a different spot for recording tonight. Still behind the wall where I'm trying to stay warm because, yeah. But, because I've been waiting inside the station where it's nice and warm too, but yeah. And the thing I forgot to mention is that Champ did not come off of 37.75, so yeah. Well, that was unfortunate that I actually brought one treat to be ready for Champ getting off in case he was, but turns out that's not the case. So obviously that treat is now being saved until tomorrow morning with 84, and today's 87, by the way, has 912 and 910. So at least that's what it should be. 912, 910. So we got a double engine today instead of single engine. So
SM87, door 0 is right side here, Stratford.
Thanks for the Stratford, SM87 out.
no, there's no need to fly it whatsoever. Got the 4 coach set tonight. Instead of 5 or 6, 912. The last one I'll mention before the business class is 33. Oh, we gotta walk a little bit. I don't know if I can see it well. 3661 for bus. And away they go. Gonna position you guys up a bit.
Location 8861, crossing activated.
Ew.
Anticipating they were gonna blow the emergency horn right there. It definitely sounded louder than normal, so it definitely was the emergency horn, no doubt. Last coach is 3466, and at the back is 910. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit that bell. See you in the next one.
Station 8861, crossing deactivated.